PCR or polymerase chain reaction is a technique used to make multiple copies of DNA. It is a technique by which a desired section of DNA is amplified. PCR chain reactions copies target DNA and amplify the target DNA. For PCR, thermal cycler is required. It carries out the temperature cycles. Other than the thermal cycler, for PCR, target DNA, primers, nucleotides, and DNA polymerase is required. We combine all these four into one Eppendorf tube, and then Eppendorf tube is packed to thermal cycler. The thermal cyclers maintain the temperature. The heat in the thermal cycler separate the two chains of the target DNA. In the cycle 1, the two chains of target DNA will separate at the process called denaturation. At the denaturation step or process, the two strands have separated. When the two chains of the DNA are separated, primers, DNA polymerase, and free nucleotides now start to bind the target DNA. Initially, the primers bind to the target DNA, and this is called annealing. Then, DNA polymerase enzymes bind to the primers, followed by the free nucleotide. The DNA polymerase now extend the DNA, and this process is called extension. So this was the cycle 1. In the cycle 2 is same as the cycle 1. Denaturation, annealing, extension will take place as in the cycle 1. Similarly, in the cycle 3, the same processes will occur. So in the cycle 3, in this way the cycle 4, with the cycles increasing, the copies of target DNA also increase. So by repeating these steps, we get a lot of desired sequences. As you can see, with the increasing in the cycle and time, the copies of the target DNA increases. So PCR has simplified many times our target DNA. Thank you for watching.